Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will set up VSCode for Python. So it involves these three steps. First, we will install the latest version of Python. Then we will install Python extension in VSCode. And then we will run a demo program in VSCode. So I'll go to Chrome, open it. And here I will search for Python. Hit enter. Go to this first link, python.org. So it is open. So go to this downloads and you can see a download button here. Click on this and it will start downloading Python. It is downloaded. So I'll click on the show in folder. I'll right click on this and open it. Now check both these checkboxes and click on this customize installation. Leave it as it is and click next. And here check this install Python 3.14 for all users. It will install Python on this path and click install. Yes. So now the installation has begun. It will take some time, so we will wait. So the setup was successful. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well and this as well. Now I'll go to CMD and verify our installation. So I'll type CMD, hit enter. And if I type here Python -- version and hit enter, so it will show me the Python version we have installed. So it is installed. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well. And I'll minimize this. Now I will open Visual Studio Code. So I'll open it, maximize this, and now I'll come to this extensions tab. And here I'll search for Python. So it is this second one. I'll click on this. It is by Microsoft, as you can see here. And I'll click on this install to install this. So now you can see here that it is installed. So I'll close this. I'll close this extensions tab as well. Now I'll come to this Explorer. I'll create a new file here and I'll name this sum.py and hit enter, and it will create me a Python file. Now here I'll use a equals 6 and b equals 7 and c equals a plus b, and now I'll print c. Now I'll control this. I'll right click on this and run code. As you can see here, 13 is printed in this terminal. So in this way, you can set up VSCode for Python and can run demo programs. So I think that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.